I was gifted this manual stair stepper. I'm going to give you a close-up of what it looks like, how it will put together, how it works, and if it is going to be right for you to add to your home. First things first, with this stair stepper, you can see that it folds up nice and flat so that it can just sort of lean. It's pretty tall. At the top here, we've got just like an iPhone holder so that you can throw your phone in there to listen to music or just watch something while you're using it. But as you can see, it folds up nice and flat, and in order to open it up, you're just going to, it kind of sits in like a bit of a triangle shape. You can see that we have these metal bars here. It has got a couple little kind of hooks that are going to lock into here. We've got one on the end and another one here, so it just depends on how far apart you want these. You can either have it hooked into the farthest one or the closer one. So I'm going to just actually move it out a little farther to let you see how it locks into place. And then it's locked into place, good and secure. You can see the bottom have the little blue feeties on them so that it's not going to, they're rubber, so it's not going to scuff your floor or anything. As I let you in closer, this one is also adjustable. There are two knobs, so when you put this bar in, you can see there are two holes here on both ends, and then this one is into the third hole. So that is just dependent on how high you want this bar. I did put it on the highest setting for when I put it together because I am tall and we have a tall family. So pretty much anybody who's going to be using this is going to want the bar up at the highest setting, which is why I put it at that one. Okay, as we come in here to the actual footrests, these mounted very easily with just putting this bolt right through. If we zoom in here, you can see that they are also adjustable depending on what angle you would like them to be. And push it in again for the higher setting, and you can see how that just changes the angle slightly that your foot is going to be working at. Again, both of those were really easy to put together. You just put it through, put the bolt through the side, you can see on this one, and then you're just going to tighten the nut on the other side. So it comes with all the hardware and everything you need. The other thing you needed to do was add the springs, and all those do is loop on the screws on both sides. It has the option for 3 springs, so the 3 springs provide more resistance when you're using the machine. If you want less resistance, you would just use less springs, so you can put 1, 2, or all 3 on it. It comes with also this reader here, so this was very easy also to install. It just slides onto the back there, and then you just make the connection right there. You just plug that in together, and then it is good to go. So as soon as you start moving, so let me just show you how I'm gonna move this so that they are the same angle. Put that down, okay, so that the feet rest are the same angle. And then as soon as you start, you sort of step on it and start moving it. There you go. Okay, you can see that it turns on automatically. It's going to count your steps. It's going to count the time. So I was doing this before, so it's started here. You can just push the reset button and it's going to reset it right from the beginning. There are a few different modes you can pick. Again, it has a manual that it comes with that kind of explains exactly what you can do with that part, but overall this is the unit itself. So I wanted to give you an example of what it looks like to actually use it. This is just in a home office. Again, as soon as you start stepping on it, it's going to start counting your steps. Of course, it's not one of the more automatic ones, the stair steppers that you would find at the gym. This is a much more manual option, but I actually really like it that it was easy to put together. It's very sturdy. You know that changing elevation is a lot better for your heart rate. Obviously, doing stairs is a lot better for your heart rate. So this just provides a different option of some indoor exercise and activity in a very simple and easy and relatively inexpensive way. Choose the speed you want to go. You can choose resistance with whichever how many of the springs that you put on, and it'll keep track for you. You've got a little phone holder here, so you can watch something, listen to music as you're doing it. It's really good for your calves. I'm really feeling this in my calves already. I do have the footrest angled down, so probably if you had them angled more flat, it would be a little bit easier on your calves. So it just depends on the kind of workout that you were going for. A lot of options for it, so I hope this helped.